What's up, y'all? Today on my Primetime series, I'm gonna show y'all how to do a simple lineup. All right, let's go. First things first, get your gloves. So how I put on my neck strip, okay? I got the neck strip flaunt like this. What I do is I bend it in half. With my hand, I just pick up the dreads, go underneath. And what I do like that, once it's cuffed in, I just cuff it right in there. Button up. Before I even brush it out, I'm gonna hit him with the Cutz liquid razor. Don't need a lot. And basically just go around his lineup with this, and it's gonna dry up his skin a little bit. It's gonna dry the hair up, it's gonna dry his skin up. It's just gonna allow me to cut his hair much better. All right, so we're gonna comb out his beard. Now I'm gonna comb out his baby hairs. He got the fresh dreads, so when dudes got fresh hair, you kind of want to be easy with their hair. You don't want to mess up their braids. With my Andis Masters clipper, what these do is they have a function where you can have the guard all the way open like this, or you have it closed like this. Now, when you have it closed, it's cutting the hair really short. But if you open it up, it allows the hair to be longer. So first things first, you want to spray down your clippers at all times. I'm not gonna go like this because I know I'm gonna hit his dreads. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going right to where that part is, and I'm only taking out that part, and I'm going with the grain, as you see. Now with this little piece, I want this a little bit shorter, so now I'm gonna go against the grain. So coming to the other side, same thing. You have a little bit of hair right here, as you see. This is where his lineup is going to be. I don't want to make this hair any shorter. I just want to cut this hair. Same thing with it being open. I'm not going all the way to the dread part. Now I'm closing it a little bit. Now, the top lineup. He has some areas that are light. As you see right here, he has a little bit of light spot. Now, I do not want to buzz this down with no guard. I'm going to put a guard on because I only want to trim this just a little bit. Now I'm going to work on his mustache. I'm going to trim this. Each sides, if you can see, is a little bit darker. The middle, I'm gonna leave kind of for the most part, because sometimes dudes' mustaches grow longer on the sides than the top. So you just want to make it look like it matches. So now I'm gonna grab my Andis wireless clippers, my liners. To start off, I'm just gonna hit my little guideline. I'm gonna start at this middle bottom, create a line. And now I'm gonna create my curve, and it's all with this back of the blade. Same thing. Keeping it wide over here. Now same thing on this side, keeping it high. All right, now with this front line, so So I start in the middle. Okay, now his forehead's done. Now I'm gonna do the mustache. So after all that's done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into my straight razor blade. Now, we gotta always put in a fresh blade, obviously. So spray down your straight razor blade. Crack open a new razor. Besides that, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some shave gel on there. Start up top. This is all with the back of the blade. All right, start up here. Now, turn around and I'm gonna go against the grain. To finish off his lineup, we're just gonna do the back of his neck. If you see there's some stragglers left over, so I'm gonna brush it out, get it all out. And I'm just free-handing it and just taking out any of those. So after that, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw some nice beard oil on him. Make it nice and shiny. Give some nice oil sheen, Pro-Line oil sheen on the top. After that, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit him with the alcohol. But before that, we're gonna make sure we clean up the bottom of his neck. Any hair on the bottom there, on the bottom over here. All right, roll up your neck strip so you get it like this. Pour that alcohol on. Start at the bottom so that if you do have a lot, it doesn't drip on their eyes. And after that's all set, what you do, pull out your phone. Like, yo, I'm gonna do a quick little boomerang on you. Let's go.